Hello everyone, my name is Caini Chen.
And I am Parisa Nazemi. We
We
are
are AgriPod.
AgriPods.
Today we are going to talk about sustainable soilless media for plant cultivation. Since 1992, urban expansion has resulted in the permanent loss of more than 31 million acres of agricultural land, transforming this land into residential, commercial, and industrial area. There's another significant factors contributing to the farmland loss is soil degradation, where the land becomes unfarmable due to harmful chemicals, decreased fertility, and unfavorable changes in soil pH. With increase in population and decrease in farmland, the use of alternative growing media instead of soil has become increasingly important. This is a picture of a turmeric farm in Queensland, Australia. They switched from traditional soil-based cultivation to using cocoa peat, and their yield has increased 5 times more than before. And this picture is closer to us. It is a hydroponic greenhouse on campus run by the Student Farm Club. They are growing lettuce, basil. They are using rock wool and expanded clay pebble instead of soil as a growing media. It is amazing to see how soilless cultivation is making such a big impact both globally and right here at Penn State. The current market offers a wide variety of soilless growing media, and here are some examples. Peat has been widely used, provide excellent water retention and aeration, but is non-renewable and cause environmental concerns, which leads to their increase in price. Coconut coir is a sustainable alternative. However, it has a poor aeration properties and requires a salt removal process before use. Rock wool offers a great water retention and aeration, but it is not biodegradable and can cause skin irritation while handling. The expanded clay pebble provides excellent aeration and sustainability, but they are expensive and have a poor water retention. Overall, there is no soilless medium currently available meets all the ideal criteria. There's a demand for a sustainable, renewable, cost-effective medium with both high water retention and aeration to support the horticulture industry needs. Here is where we come in. We AgriPods have developed a starch-based soilless medium that address all these limitations. It excels in 5 key aspects. First is the sustainability. It is made from just 4 ingredients. Potato starch is a renewable and biodegradable material. Memorialite is a clay mineral used to enhance soil structure and nutrient retention. Xanthium gum is a food-safe thickening agent. And lastly is water. These 4 components form a foam that absorbs up to 400% of its weight in water, while the expanded clay pebble only absorbs up to 15% in water. So the starch foam also remains insoluble due to the electrostatic interaction between the starch and the clay. So second is the performance. We have conducted the growth trial with microgreen, comparing our starch foam to peat with fertilizer and expanded clay pebble. Our results shows that the plant growth in our starch foam has outperformed all other medias, demonstrating its potential for the plant cultivation. Next is the cost effectiveness. Our analysis shows that the starch foam costs about $2.39 per cubic foot, making it twice as cheap as coconut coir and 12 times cheaper than the clay pebble. Fourth is the customizability. Unlike other media, our starch foam can be tailored to optimize porosity, incorporating the fertilizer that is specific to different plants and adapting the shape to fit various growing systems. Also, we have tried to plasticize the foam. We are able to enhance its compressibility, making it more space efficient for transport. Lastly is the scalable manufacturing. Our production process involves mixing, extrusion, and microwave expansion. These methods are widely used in the food industry for decades, meaning that with the existing infrastructure, we are able to repurpose it for our large-scale production.
Here, we're going to break down our financial analysis for AgriPods. Starting with our targeted customers, hydroponic farmers will initially be our targeted customers, later on extended to greenhouse growers, rooftop gardeners, and home growers. Breaking down our cash flow statement, by raising $100,000 in fundraisings and having between $50,000 to $70,000 in revenue, we will be able to cover our expenses at $50,000, which will give us a positive $100,000 to $125,000 in net cash flow. Talking about profit and loss statements, having between $20,000 to $25,000 cost of goods sold for us, we will have this great profit margin of $25,000 to $50,000 in gross profit. Talking about financial allocation, we will allocate our money into different areas, including 20% customer discovery. 40% will go to participating in pitch competitions, and the final 40% will be allocated for product development, material purchasing, and so on. Including this competition, we are counting on the $7,500 of the Ag Springboard prize to start our customer discovery and other pitch competitions. The market opportunity for AgriPod is massive. Starting with the total available market, the global hydroponic market is valued at $58.3 billion, of which the US hydroponic market, which is the serviceable available market, is valued at $506.25 million. Only taking 5% of this market share, the projected value for AgriPod will be valued at $8.7 million, which shows a great potential for our market to grow and scale in bigger sizes. A future plan for AgriPod includes continued customer discovery, as explained before, with engaging with industry and extension professionals to know better the customer needs, followed by going back to the lab and refining those products based on the customer needs, and finally collaborating and partnering with microwave and extrusion companies for pilot scale testing.
With AgriPods, the future of sustainable agriculture is brighter than ever, and we are ready to lead the charge.
Thank you.